this one. People are there who talk a lot, negative talks, but they never do business. Your concentration should be, all your energy should be concentrated on only business, not negative talks, not talking about others, not talking about upline, not talking about downline. Talk only about business. How to maximize your bonus? That should be the only question you should have in your mind by helping people. लोगों को help करते हुए कितना पैसा, कैसे हम हमारा बोनस ज्यादा बढ़ा सकता है, बस उतना वही आपका सोच होना चाहिए. System is built for success. DXN does not give too much promises. The only promise you are assured of from DXN is that DXN system is built for success. बस यही वादा हम कर सकता है. The system is built for success. We don't give so much of promises. If someone is giving you promises, don't trust. Okay? We cannot give you promises that we will make you Star Diamond or Star Ambassador, Crown Ambassador in 1 year time, 3 years time. We cannot do that. It is you who is going to do. What we can offer you is that a system beautifully designed to make anyone successful who stick on with the company and follow the culture and system of the company. That's what the only offer DXN can provide you. The system for success is based on 2 key factors. One, education. Learn up the training modules of DXN. Understand the system. Like any other system, this is a system where you should spend time to understand. These kind of programs, training programs, whatever we organize in the country, you should attend. Learn so that you will be equipped to face the market and to grow. So education, then habit. Learn up the culture of DXN. This is what you need to do to become successful. Have the patience. Keep doing again and again the right thing. One day you will see that you are successful. So do you know the mango theory? You know mango theory? Sometimes people complain, oh, I have sponsored so many people, but many are not working. I don't think I can continue this business. Have you heard people saying this?
Yes.
आप सुना है? मैं बहुत लोगों को मेंबर बनाया लेकिन लोग काम करता नहीं है. हम क्या करें? मैं ये छोड़ना चाहता हूँ. आप कभी सोचते होंगे? सोचा है ऐसा? हाँ, okay. So let me tell you the mango theory. The mango theory is that, you know, when the season starts, there are so many flowers, right, in the mango tree, right? अब देखा है mango tree में बहुत ज़्यादा फूल है पहले. So what happens later when rain comes, the storm comes, so many flowers start falling. Correct? So many flowers start falling. But still at the end of the day, there are so many flowers. Correct or not? Sorry, so many mangoes. At the end of the season or when the real season starts, there are mangoes. So don't worry about the fallen flowers. Let the flowers stand for the test of storm. Waste no time on dropped flowers. Concentrate on the flowers still in the tree. Only those flowers that can withstand severe weather will turn into fruits. So जब आपका in your group, you must have sponsored so many people in your group. Many will go away, but still you can see some are in the group, working very hard. You concentrate, you spend your time on those flowers which are still there on the tree. जो ट्री में है, उसमें concentrate करना. ये जो गया है उसके बारे में सोच के रोना नहीं. Okay, उसके don't think about them. You think about those who are sticking on with the system and trying to build their business. Don't worry about those who have fallen down. So these fruits are the future Star Diamonds of DXN or Crown Ambassadors of DXN. So DXN is a gold mine. Ganoderma is gold. DXN is the gold mine. So you should know, you are sitting on a gold mine, but you do not know. You must have heard a story of the one who was searching for gold and diamond, right? Yeah, you must have heard. He was searching for diamonds all over the world, and he sold his place and went in search of gold and diamond. But finally later he found out that the place he sold was full of diamonds. Similarly, you are sitting on a gold mine. DXN is a gold mine, but you should know how to dig and get the gold. Okay, without that, if you leave, you will lose the gold mine. So the 4 pillars of DXN. One is company stability. That's what most important thing. 17 years in the world market. Listed in Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange main board. Product superiority. There is no comparison for DXN products in the market. Whatever may be the reason. Okay, DXN products are so superior, which has got all the accreditations and approvals, and there is no comparison for DXN products in the market. Generous marketing plan. DXN's marketing plan is one of the most rewarding marketing plan available in the industry in the whole world, designed by Dr. Lee. Global network. DXN's network is touching 5 million across the globe. Anywhere you can make the members and get your income where you have registered. So all these 4 pillars make DXN one of the fastest growing direct selling company in the world today. DXN stand at 40, number 40 in the world of direct selling. You know, it is said that every 17 minutes a direct selling company is getting formed in the world. Every 17 minutes. And there must be one closing down also in every 17 minutes. So thousands of direct selling companies are in the world, and DXN is at number 40 in the world. So you should be proud of that fact. Give a round of applause to yourself. Because it is very important, the stability of the company. Most of the companies come, they go. Those who attached with the company, those who have worked with the company, by the time they realize they are going to get the income, if the company is not there, what happens? Okay, so the stability of the company is very important. Those who have done direct selling before really understands the value of this point. So one world, one market, no culture bias. There is no difference in DXN. No religion bias, no nationality bias, no race bias, no education bias. Every distributor is equal in DXN. There is no special consideration to anyone. There is no difference, no discrimination. You need not be an MBA from Oxford to become successful in DXN. You can be from anywhere in the world. No educational qualification required. No family background is required to become successful in DXN. Can you tell me a company of that kind available in this world today? I'm sure there is no. Every distributor enjoys the same right, respect the ethics of business. This is one basic fact I want to reiterate here. Ethics of business. There are ethics to be followed in the business. Okay? You should not snatch others' people. You should respect the law. Respect others' sentiments in DXN, because it's a global family. It's people's business. So when people are involved, there are so many chances to have differences of opinion and difference of activities. So you should respect others and do the business. Without harming others, you should follow this business, because it is a long-term process, lifelong business. So that has to be followed in the business. So be single-minded. Don't look left, don't look right. Be focused. Don't jump boat. When you don't make much money here in DXN, somebody will invite you. See, there is another company which will help you to make more money. When you go there, you realize that, oh, DXN was better. By that time, you must have lost already the DXN membership. So don't jump boat. Successful people learn how to aim towards success by pointing their life directly at the success target. Stick to DXN long enough. That's the most important fact I want to point out. Stick on, never quit. Treasure what we have now with the DXN. DXN has got so many advantages as far as a direct selling company is concerned in this world. Okay, treasure that and enjoy the benefits of DXN. Don't do part-time, don't do full-time, do all the times. There is no specific time for doing DXN. कभी भी कर सकता है. जब आप सोता है तभी भी आप business कर सकते हैं. Because even while sleeping you can think of DXN. How to improve your business. Do 30 years job in 3 years time. That is the leverage this direct selling industry provides to anyone. Pension young. How many of you want to pension young? When you are young, you want to pension? Yeah, you want to raise your hands. Pension young. At the age of 35 or 40, you want to pension and enjoy the rest of the life. Why to pension at the age of 70 when there is hardly any time left to enjoy? So you should enjoy your life. For that, you should pension early. Pension does not mean that you stop all your activities. No. Pension means your running after money can be stopped because money will start coming automatically in the system. So पैसे के पीछे भागना आप स्टॉप कर सकता है अगर आप DXN में सक्सेसफुल हो गए, तो वो कितने जल्दी हो सकता है उतना अच्छा है. अपना जिंदगी पूरा आप एंजॉय कर सकता है. So do 30 years job in 3 years time. That's what DXN is offering you. The many DXN members' income today must be their 20 years income of other people. Okay, so that is the leverage this company is providing you, this industry is providing, especially. Pension young, pension wealthy, not broke. Pension healthy. So be a marathon runner. Dr. Lim always emphasized this. You know, a marathon runner, so many kilometers one has to run. So if he is only concentrating on running, he cannot reach the destination. So what a marathon runner does, imagine yourself like a marathon runner. Enjoy all the scene throughout the run. Okay? You look at left, look at right, and enjoy the scenery. Similarly in DXN, though you have a goal, you enjoy all the activities of you in this process. Enjoy करो, जो भी करता है enjoy करके करो. तो जो अभी जो बैठा है, जब लोगों को देखता है, वो भी enjoy करो. When you explain to one person, enjoy that. When you help a person, enjoy that. Don't only concentrate on money making. Don't let a destination bother you. Without realizing it, eventually you will reach the destination. Success is not a destination, but rather a journey. Okay, that you should realize in this business. So destiny is not in your hand. Sorry, it is in your hand. Destiny is not a matter of chance, but rather a matter of choice. People who have chose DXN to realize their dream, you can see they have realized their dream. Destiny is not something to wait for, but rather is a matter to achieve. Your destiny is in your own hand. Change your destiny for yourself, your family, and your nation. Everyone associated with you have dreams, and it is your responsibility to take care of their dream. Everyone wants to travel all over the world. Everyone wants to have a beautiful house, a car, right? A vacation. But many of us are unable to enjoy that. And here is a system which can help you to achieve all those things, though you normally you are not supposed to get all those things from your profession or whatever it may be. So this is a system which can help you to do that. DXN has prepared everything for you to change your destiny. Only thing is you should go hand in hand to achieve that. Never give up. Even you are going to be eaten, never give up. So do what you can do the best, and DXN will take care of the rest. So when you fail repeatedly, remember this story. जब आप फेल हो रहा है अपने जिंदगी में, अपने बिजनेस में, ये कहानी आप याद रखना. 1816, his family was forced out of their home. He had to work to support them. 1831, failed in his business. 1832, ran for the state legislature, also lost his job. 1833, borrowed money from a friend to start a business, became bankrupt, worked 17 years to pay off the debt. 1835, engaged to be married, sweetheart died, broke his heart. 1836, had a total nervous breakdown, was in the bed for 6 months. 1838, sought to become the Speaker of the state, defeated. 1840, sought to become elector, defeated. 1843, ran for the Congress, lost. 1854, ran for the Senate, lost. 1856, sought the vice presidential nomination, got only less than 100 votes. 1858, ran for the state again lost. And finally, in 1860, elected as the President of the United States of America. A life full of failures, but did not give up. काम करते रहे till he saw success. So the question to you is, do you have the courage and the patience to see that you are becoming successful? So that's the only question that you should ask yourself. Never give up. Stick on, Keep working, keep working. One day you will see that you are successful. Decide now. Every day, hour and minute are special. Time is running out. Wish you all the best. Good morning.